Hello everyone, this is my fourth video of web component development video series. In this video, I want to show you how to use Servlet Context. So, what is Servlet? Servlets are Java programs that run on the Java enabled web application server. They are used to handle the request obtained from the web server, process the request, produce the response, then send a response back to the web server. This is the main idea of the servlet. Let's move to the next slide. What is Servlet Context? An object of Servlet Context is created by the web container at the time of deploying the project. This object can be used to get configuration information from the XML file. There is only one Servlet Context object per web application. So Servlet Context is even more important than Servlet Config, and it is one per web application as known as context. This object is common for all servlets, and they use this object to communicate with Servlet container to get the details of the whole web application or execution environment. Thing to remember is it represents a web application, a single JV. JV means Java Virtual Machine. So let's move to the next slide. How to use Servlet Context. There are various ways to use it. Some of them are below. The object connects the container or jar files and servlet using the servlet interfaces. The web.xml file can be utilized to obtain details about configuration from servlet context object. So also you can get set or remove required attributes from the web.xml file using the object. So the object provides communication between different applications. So this is the brief description about how to use Servlet Context. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.